Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. So I'm going to share a quick little favorite of mine. So first I have some coffee pieces in my coffee with some creamer, and so I'm waiting on that to melt. I also have my Captain Crunch pancake mix with me, and I do have some eggs. So I'm gonna get ready to just whip it up real quick. But anyways, check out the playlist after you're done with this video, and be sure to head on over to their channels and let them know that Ciara sent you. So without further ado, this video is hosted by Jacqueline from Cozy Home and Rachel Moster. We are Gets for Breakfast collabs today, so definitely be sure to check out the playlist. It will be in my description box down below, and definitely the host links will be in my description box as well. So I'm going to go ahead this morning and make some eggs with cheese, and then I'm also going to be making some Captain Crunch pancakes. The Captain Crunch pancakes have been found at the Dollar Tree, so I like to rack up on these and get about 5 boxes at a time. The 5 boxes I would say last me 3 or 4 months because I make them every Saturday only. Now with my eggs, I do like to add milk. I do like to add cheese. I love to add pepper, and I also love to add salt. The reason I add milk is to give it a fluffier outcome, but I also love to add in just a little bit of cheese, just due to the fact that I don't want my cheese to cook faster than my eggs. So I just add a little bit. Now with the Captain Crunch pancakes, you're gonna need 2 cups of the Captain Crunch pancake mix, and then you're gonna add in 1.5 cups of water and just mix it up. I tend to mix it up, and then I'll end up putting it into a different bowl, just because I like to, not a different bowl, but a measuring cup, because I can measure how much is coming out as I am making the pancakes. So for my pancakes, I just went ahead and put in like a little bit of butter. I also went ahead and put the pancake mix into this measuring cup, but I didn't like the way that it was coming out, just because it was coming out so fast. And normally I like to measure my pancakes really small. So this is a really great breakfast that I decided to cook this morning. Just something sweet, simple, and to the point. Normally when I cook these pancakes, that's mainly the main meal. But this morning I did wake up feeling like, oh, I want some eggs. So I decided to go ahead and make those. Now with the Captain Crunch pancakes, they're going to turn out just like you see on the box. Just don't let them sit too long. And now one box I do want to try of pancake mix is the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I do feel like I could make those very easily, so that'll be on my breakfast menu for when I go back to the grocery store. So I just easily flip these over. As you guys can see, they turn out really, really good. You still can see like the coloring on the inside of these. And yeah, went ahead and made my plate, and I made the kids' plate, and we indulged in a really great breakfast this morning. When I realized that my mom was in town, I wanted to make something special for her, so I ended up having to make something else. So I also decided to go ahead and just make some French toast while I was at it. So I needed eggs, vanilla, milk, cinnamon, and some bread. I also wanted to go ahead and add in some of the Cinnamon Toast Crunch stuff using a whisk, and this is the bowl that I'm going to use to dip the bread in, and the gray bowl is for me to mix it in. So I decided to go ahead and just put in a few eggs, because from time to time when making French toast, I lack cinnamon. So I want to make sure that there's enough eggs and there's enough cinnamon to make cinnamon French toast. I also add in milk to mine. I add in vanilla, and like I said, I used a lot of cinnamon to make French toast. I also wanted to add in this cute little bottle of cinnamon French toast. This is just a seasoning. You can put this on regular bread. You can use this on English muffins. You can add it to anything you want. So I put it in here. That way I can go ahead and put the butter into the pan, and then I will let that simmer on medium, and I will go ahead and start to put my pieces of bread into this bowl. One of my favorite things for breakfast is definitely this: if I have the bread, if I have the milk, and if I have the eggs. There's just one rule in my house: we always are running out of one of those three. So this was a great morning for me to go ahead and make some French toast, and we definitely enjoyed it.